Welcome to the ultimate private AI setup. We will show you how to run SearXNG and OpenClaw locally, ensuring zero cloud usage and zero telemetry. This setup is 100% local, connecting a local LLM, an AI gateway, and private web search. Your data never leaves your machine. Phase 1 is deployment. Make sure your local container runtime environment is active and running before pulling any images. Next, pull the self-hosted web search image, SearXNG, directly from the hub and run it on your local machine. Verify that the SearXNG container has initialized successfully and is actively running on your local port. Phase 2 is bridging the stack. Initialize your gateway configuration and strictly lock the environment to local using the OpenClaw configure command. Route the AI's web capabilities through your private instance by enabling web search and selecting SearXNG as the provider. This ensures self-hosted aggregation. Map the environment variable. This tells the AI gateway the exact local port where your private search engine is listening. Phase 3 is the data format fix. The search engine defaults to HTML, but the gateway requires structured data. Navigate inside the running container to adapt the output. Add JSON support to the SearXNG settings file. The AI gateway natively reads JSON formats. Save the configuration after adding this entry. Reboot both systems. Restart the search container. Then restart the AI gateway to pull in the newly exported variables and JSON configs. Spin up the local web interface to interact with your secure, completely private AI environment using the "OpenClaw dashboard" command. Now prompt the AI. The system badge serves as definitive proof that the query routed exclusively through your self-hosted search container. Troubleshooting. Local LLMs occasionally default to internal tools. If it misses on the first run, simply direct it to use the configured web search tool. The secure loop is complete. You now have an enterprise-grade AI workflow with zero cloud exposure, unlimited queries, and 100% privacy because your data never leaves your machine.